Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download the Jet2 app on your phone. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store or to the Google Play Store, whichever you have, and go and open the application. Now here, as you can see on the App Store, we have a lot of options. We have the today screen where you can go and see some of the applications that they can give you today. We have the games where you can see all the games on this application. We have apps where you can go and check out all of the applications. We have arcade, and the thing that interests us the most is the search bar, where we can go and type in the thing that we want to download. In this case, we want to download Jet2 app. What we need to do is go to the search bar, type Jet2, click search, and the first one will pop out, which we of course need. So Jet2 holiday and flights, click on it. And what you need to do guys is you can of course go and check out everything about the application. You can go check the age, category, the developer, language. You can see I check the size of the application also. And if you're interested in reviews and ratings for the application guys, you can go down here, but at the moment this application does not have enough ratings to be displayed here, so you cannot go and check that out. But what you need to do to go and download it, you can go and click on the get. Now once you click there on the iPhone, you need to double click to install, and it will start installing immediately. So when it installs, everything you need to do is go and open the application, and you have your Jet2 application installed and ready to use. So guys, as you can see, this is everything. You just need to click open. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.